And so that's why I've decided that I'm going to be getting rid of the Jeep, just going away from the Jeep route and just going ahead and getting a Prius or something like that, maybe a smart car. I'm not really sure yet. Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're not, go ahead and change it around right now because we have a lot to talk about. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. We have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But yeah, we have a lot to talk about, guys. That little teaser in the intro, yeah, it's gone. No, I'm just kidding. That's actually not what we're going to talk about, but we are going to talk about that we are full sending the Jeep. We're putting a bunch of money into it, and we're just going to completely make it exactly the idea that I've had in my head since I got it, and just making it exactly what I want. So yeah, we're going to go over all the things that I have planned that are going to be coming. I might leave out a few things because there might be little surprises, but you guys might notice I'm wearing the same exact outfit as when I recorded this video. If you guys watch my video on Wednesday, this one will be going up Friday. So yeah, if you guys saw the black mirror install, then yeah, they're kind of just on there now. But yeah, we're still working on that and trying to figure out how I want to actually do that. But yeah, that video, if you guys haven't seen that, the video went up on Wednesday. So if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you go watch that one now, and you can see these being installed in the before and after kind of thing. But that was one of the things that I want, and that's one of the things that we're going to talk about is doing the actual cap underneath this white part where it's not it doesn't match up perfectly. But we're going to be doing that. We're going to get the full gloss black actual caps, whether I have to go to a junkyard, order them online, eBay, something, order new mirrors, whatever it is I have to do. I'm going to figure it out and get those because I don't like the cover sitting over top. So I'm going to end up changing that out, but it's going to be a pain. So that's kind of in the works kind of thing, but that's definitely one of the things that we're going to be doing to the Jeep here is just replacing the actual mirror cap. And one thing that I've gone back and forth that's going to be changing it over, this is going to be like the next 2 weeks, this one's happening. So if you guys look, the Jeep has like a rake to it from the factory. So normally you'd either like level it up or do like a lift kit and bring it up, which is going to bring the front up and then the back up a little bit and put bigger wheels and tires, where I'm going to be going the opposite route and lowering it because I just love the look of it. So I already ordered the Eibach springs. I'm just going all in on it. I think it was like $300 or something like that. I'm not really sure exactly how much it was. It was like 300 or something. And I already ordered the Eibach springs. So you see how the gap in the back is just is massive, and then like the one in the front isn't like too bad, but even still it's got a little gap there. Now that's going to be going because I can't do it anymore. I keep seeing it and it's like this, and it looks the same as every other Jeep because it's got that rake to it. I don't tow, I don't even have a hitch on it, so, and I have no plans of really towing or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We already have a quote. We're gonna have it installed. We're not doing it ourselves. Not this time. I had done that previously, and I installed the leveling kit in my truck, and I will never do that again because that was just, it was awful. So we're not going to do that. So yeah, this Jeep's going to be completely different soon. So the lowering springs are going to go on first. That should be in the next week or two, depending on whenever they come in, and I can get that appointment scheduled to get them installed. So that's going to completely change the look of it just right away. And then the next thing that's going to go along with that is obviously wheels and tires, but I think I'm going to remove these, just the Grand Cherokees on the side. I don't think I'm going to remove the front. I know a lot of people do that. They go up here and they remove this Jeep. I think I'm going to keep that for now, but this one might be coming off in the future. We'll have to kind of see. But definitely the side Grand Cherokees, those are going to come off, and that's going to just give it a nice sleek like black and white kind of look on the side. And then obviously the lowering springs, and then I'll probably remove the 4x4 on the back and then keep the back Jeep. I don't really think you can remove this back Jeep one because it's kind of engraved into it, so I'm not even going to bother trying to remove that or figure that out or anything. But 4x4, and then the two sides are probably going to come off, just the Grand Cherokee on the side, just to make it just sleek white all the way down, and then you can just kind of enjoy the body lines without that there, and I think it'll look a lot better. Like I said, with the black mirrors and stuff, it's gonna look so good. So then once we drop it, next thing is wheels and tires. Now I've been saying I want those hellcat replicas for, I don't even know, probably since I started the channel. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad for you guys. I got this new microphone and the dead cat thing hasn't come in yet, so the wind protection shouldn't be the best, but hopefully it's not too bad for you. But I've been saying that I want those wheels and tires forever, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on them. I'm gonna do 22x9s, I believe. They're either 22x9 or 22x9.5 on the wheels. And then for the tires, I'm gonna go ahead and go 305, 35, 22, which is a really, really big wide tire. I'll put a graph up here on the screen and you guys can see the difference between the tires that I have on it now to those. It's gonna be way beefier, which obviously I have the wheel spacers here in the back, but it's gonna be pretty beefy like that on both of them, and they're also just gonna be beefy and just way bigger. It's gonna fill out the wheel well really nicely. It's gonna look good once it's lowered and everything. It's just all in all, it's gonna combine just to make the perfect nice fitment of exactly what I want. So wheels and tires, those are gonna be huge. Lowering springs, what else am I forgetting? The mirrors are actually gonna get done. And then the next big thing after that is going to be the roof wrap, which I've been saying, and I've been thinking about this a lot, and I'm going to actually go ahead and show you. So initially I was just going to go on the top here, just across the top of the lip here, and just have just the top and the whole roof obviously done in gloss black. But now that I think about it, I want to do all down and around and just wrap the entire back wing piece here in the gloss black, as well as the whole roof, so it just kind of ties and it looks like it almost like flows down. And I just think it'll give it a way more sleek look. And overall, I think it'll all just kind of combine. You got your gloss black roof with the rear spoiler, which is going to kind of wrap down, and like I said, it'll kind of give it like a flowing look. And this area is going to be lower because, you know, the lowering springs and everything, so the back's going to come down a bit. And then obviously I have like the black vinyl here with the tint. These are all blacked out. We got the black covers, black emblems. We'll have the black roof, big satin black wheels, which I'll actually reveal once I actually get them and stuff like that. I'm going to kind of keep it a secret exactly which ones I'm going to get, because yeah, I'm going to keep that a little bit of a secret, but stay tuned for a future video when that comes out. But then this will be lower down to here, and then bigger wheels and tires will fill it in. It's going to look really good. And then what else do we have? The black mirrors, these will be gone. It's just going to look so sleek with all the black and the white just kind of tying in, but looking completely different than it does now. Like it's kind of hard for me to like envision it in my head exactly how it's going to be, but it's going to just be a completely different Jeep. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but with everything done, it's going to be completely different, and it's going to be more original to me and how I want to build it, rather than just kind of doing the things that I want. You'll actually be able to see the red calipers a lot better too. You can see them in person, but I think what I'm going to do is, before I put the wheels on, you can see down here there's like silver kind of pieces here with some red splatter on them. I'm going to go ahead and paint those black, I think, just kind of hide them a little bit more and clean it up. And then yeah, from there I'm not 100% sure what else I want to do with it. I mean, there's a million other things that I could still do. One thing I'm thinking about doing is a full tint kit and just tinting out the entire light black, rather than having like the black vinyl around it, and just doing like something like this, but not as dark obviously, but just doing something like that where it's just completely dark and like blacked out, rather than having like the vinyl overlay here in the corners and then the tint and stuff like that, just kind of making the whole thing blacked out. That might come in the future, but we'll see. Pretty much those are the big things that I have planned, but I just want to let you guys know that I am sending them, and I want you guys to give me your opinions down below, what you guys think of the different things, if you guys have experience with any of those parts, if you like them, if you don't, why not, that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much most of the stuff. The only other thing is I might be doing a dual exhaust eventually, and getting rid of this one, which if I do, it would be for sale for you guys if you guys wanted to buy the exhaust. But we'll see what's going to happen with that, because I'm not sure if I want to upgrade the exhaust and get something different or louder or dual exhaust or something, because, you know, it's expensive, and these are kind of what I have planned right now and kind of things that I want to do first. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about all this kind of stuff, and let's have some conversation down below. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited for the content that's going to be coming. We have a lot of stuff like that. We also have a lot of fun videos, just kind of going out and meeting different people and experiencing things. It's going to be a lot of fun. And yeah, the channel's about to go crazy. Like I said, we're about to just be pumping out crazy good content, and I hope you guys are excited for it, as excited as I am anyways. But that's gonna be about it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button down below. Helps the YouTube algorithm, helps these videos get out to more people, help the channel grow, and of course, we're going to the moon. So if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace. I feel like I am losing control.